Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to turn on the auto correction for your keyboard on iPhone. So the device that I use now is iPhone XR, and the things that we need to do is open the settings, and you just need to click the settings part. If you cannot find this settings on your home screen, you just need to slide the screen into the left side until you find app library, and you just need to type a settings, and there will be pop-up a settings applications there. Just need to click it to open it. Whenever you already open it, you just need to scrolling down until you found general, and in this general you need to scrolling down again until you found keyboard. Whenever you already found the keyboard, you just need to click it, and there will be a lot of options that you can activate or about the keyboards. To activate the auto correction, you just need to go into the auto corrections here and just go click this button, so that this button will be changed from gray to green. Means that you already turn on the auto correction on your keyboard, and you're already to use the auto correct whenever you use the keyboard on your phone. So that's the way how to turn on the auto correction on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel to discover more about iPhone tutorial. See you for the next tutorial.